Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn methods and function in Python. Function help us reuse code and methods allow objects to perform actions. We will cover everything from dev to lambda including arg, kwargs and nested function. Let's begin. Function is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we use function. We will see that def keyword is used to define a function. Let's see how to write a function and how to call a function in VS Code. So it is nothing else by what? It is a function. Okay, so we will just run it to see what is the result of it. So I say that is welcome to Riazul Azim full stack AI lab. So now how to call it? Just simple. That is a great. So let's see Python function, print this one. So we see that is welcome to Riazul Azim full stack AI lab. Now if I want to give an example of function with a parameter, then what, right? So I will give that, like, let's say if I take this example as well, let's say that is a name, and I will say that, let's say that is create this one, welcome. And I just want to give a string here. Same as this, right? So it will be the same result, but what is the main factor is that it is a function with a parameter, right? So the name is a parameter and this Riazul Azim full stack AI lab is an argument. So let's see that. So you will see again the same result. Welcome to Riazul Azim full stack AI lab. Difference between return and print is simple. Return send data back from a function while print only display it. Let's see a demo in VS Code. Again we will call that nothing else by that is call the function and send the data to result variable, right? So that is add 20 and 10. So we all know the result will be 30. So I will display it using print. So let's see the result. Yes, so that is 30 and that's all. Difference between function and method is simple. A function works independently, a method belongs to an object. Let's see the demo of both in VS Code. So let's see a built-in function, that is the length. So we will say that is length of a string, let's say. That is nothing else by Python. Yeah, so I will print that. It is nothing else by an example of a function, this one, right? So we'll say Python difference, this one. So okay, so I will just say that is print. Yeah, you see that is 6, right? That's very simple. You can also do that. That is a method, this one, right? Method is nothing else by that let's say print, let's say python dot upper. Okay, so what will be the result? Nothing else by that bigger python, uppercase. So that is an example of a method. So I will write that is an example of method. Let's see a demo of default argument and function in Python. So I will do the same thing, that is greet function. Do the same, that is let's say name, and here we changing something like print, that is hello name. It is simple, right? So you all know how to deal with this thing. So that is great, this one. And then we will see that is YouTube viewers, right? It is simple function without any default argument, right? So first let's say that print out this one, so you will understand. So hello YouTube viewers, right? It is simple. But if I comment out this one and let's say that is name, nothing else by viewers, and let's grade this one without giving any parameter value, what will be the result? Hello viewers. Let's see, hello viewers. So if I again comment out this one and let's see what is the result, hello YouTube viewers. It is very simple. Star args allow us to pass multiple values to a function. Let's see a demo in VS Code. Here are two examples of star args. So first example is nothing else by print the sum of this, and I will see that this is nothing else by a tuple. It is treating it as a tuple. I will show it, and that also the second example you will see. So let's execute this one and let's see what is the result of that. So yeah, so that is nothing else by class tuple, and that is 10, right? Sum of 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I print out this one, it will result in the same, and that is nothing else by what, that is 10, right? So let's give it try. So that is also try. So let's clear the screen and let's go to the second example. Introduce, that is as star, that is names here. So next print this one, our guest. For name in names this one, so Alice, Bob, this one. So we will see nothing else by hello to all our guests, and if that is nothing else by Alice, next Bob, and next Charlie. So let's print this one. Yeah, so hello to our all guests, Alice, Bob, and Charlie. Double star kwargs allow us to pass name argument as a dictionary. Let's see a demo in VS Code. You will see similarly that is kwargs, and this is nothing else by dictionary type. You will see that again, and here is what that should be result is nothing else by key, that is name, and this is Riazul, and age, that is 22, and next city, that is Mumbai. So let's see and let's print this one. So yeah, so name Riazul, age 22, city Mumbai, and as expected, that is nothing else by dictionary. Functions can be defined inside other functions, and that is known as a nested function. Let's see a demo in VS Code. This is a example of nested function. Let's print this one. Yeah, it will result, that is first outer function print, next inner function, and next last outer function print. Why this is true? Because firstly it will initialize this one, that is outer function, and then print that is first one, and then it goes to what, that is inner function, this one, and inner function print, that is inner function, and next we will see that is print, that is last outer function print. So let's print this one. So first outer function print, inner function, last outer function print. Lambda function is a small anonymous function written in one line. Let's see in a demo, and I will show why is it important. It is a simple function without the lambda, and I will show you that why lambda is important, because you can write this in just one line as well. That's why lambda is so important. If I write this one, it is nothing as by 25, but if I want to give this one, let's say that square that equal to lambda x colon x multiply by x, so it will nothing else by what, that is 25, right? So that is 25 again. Map applies a function to every item in a list. Let's see a demo in VS Code. So this is nothing else by without the map function. Let's see this example, and this is nothing else by 14916. But I will show that why map function is important, because you can do it in a easy way. And let's see this, that is map iterator, this one, and let's list this one. It will do the same thing, right? Same logic. It will apply to every function to it, right? So you will see that is nothing else by 1496. If I want to go to more detail about this one, so let's say that print next iterator, print next iterator, print next, and print next. It will give me 14916. So let's see that 14916. If I give the next iterator, it will give me error. You will see that. Yeah, you see that is 16, but after that stop iteration, this one. Filter selects item based on a condition. Let's see a demo in VS Code. So this is an example without filter function. It will print the list of even number, that is nothing else by 246 here. And let's see this, run this one. So print Python filter function. So yeah, 246 as expected. And let's see this with filter function. It's nothing else by what, that is numbers, this one, next even number, that is list, and filter out those which are divisible by 2. So that's in a numbers, and let's print this even number, so that nothing else by the same result, that is 246. That is everything you need to know about Python methods and functions. Function make your code clean, reusable, and powerful. This help you, and if this help you, please like it, share it, subscribe it, comment to this YouTube channel. See you in the next lesson.